YouTube, how's it going? My name is Jen and I love color. So welcome to Color Sense. This is my very first YouTube channel and I'm so glad that you're taking the time to watch. So I'm just calling out to all people who love color, whether you're an artist, whether you're a designer, whether you just love color. So a little bit about myself. I have a background in interior design and it's an emphasis on kitchen and bath design. But for as long as I can remember, back to when I was a little kid, I've always liked drawing and coloring. I've always had pens, pencils, markers, or paints at my disposal. So just recently, my love and passion for coloring has been reignited. So I was given an adult coloring book for Christmas. Thanks, Mom. And just reignited my love and relaxation for coloring. So I wanted to go ahead and share my techniques and share the fun that I have and just the designs that we can do with the rest of the world. So right now, my method of art is the traditional sense, which is using your traditional colored pencils, paintbrushes, charcoal, items that are tangible, and media that you can use in your hands. So to me, that's what I grew up with. That's what I love to use. However, I think it would be super fun to start drawing my own adult coloring books. And you know, the more I look into it, the more I realize there's no one that hand draws coloring books. So that got me thinking, you know, I'll have to use some digital media if I ever want to do that. So in this channel, I'm hoping that over the progression of time, you'll be able to get to see me learn how to use digital media. So like a drawing tablet. I know there's lots of videos out there on YouTube of recommendations and other people showing beginner tutorials on how to use these tablets. So I will definitely be looking you up. And then in the future further, if there's anyone who wants to express interest in interior design with color sense, then I would love to delve into color theory, color trends, color paints, what is hot, what's trending, what not to use together. Any questions that other people want to express, I'd love to talk to you. So if you have any questions, any comments, just comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like our videos, I would appreciate any encouragement, and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified anytime that we upload a new video. Thanks guys, we will see you around.